We got me, yeah.
Right, true. Like, why she got more shape than me? I don't like that. I probably watch my vlogs like, damn, this bitch shop a lot. Like, hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. If you're new, I'm Shakera. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. But yeah, I'm gonna need somebody to tell me why these past couple of days been feeling like I'm in hell, stuck in Satan's ass crack. Cause why the fuck it's so hot? And I had to take Madison Wednesday for a doctor's appointment, 8 o'clock in the morning. And y'all know 8 o'clock in the morning it should be cool. Bitch, it was so humid and wearing a mask, I was dying. And then on top of that, they didn't want you to take your mask off. Given that I'm fully vaccinated, which I don't understand, but you know, I ain't about to argue with nobody over their policy, but I just think that's stupid. And Madison is not a summer baby, and she sweats so easily, so I don't know how she gonna deal with this. And since I brought her to her appointment, I haven't been outside, not even to the front door. But I really do need to go to Target because I gotta get some cleaning supplies, a couple things for Madison, and y'all know when you go to Target, you be getting some other shit you ain't got no business getting. So to Target yesterday. I forgot to get most of the things that I went for, but I did get the most important stuff, which is Madison things. They didn't have the hangers that I want, but I didn't get no cleaning products. One thing that I'm proud of is that I didn't leave Target with nothing that I had no business getting, because y'all know that's very rare. As a matter of fact, that never happens. And guys, I'm officially a part of the Crocs family. Like, I bought these pair like 5 days ago. I received them 5 days ago, and I haven't opened them just yet because I'm waiting for my giblets to get here out of some of Amazon. And the thing that I don't like, they be selling packs, but I probably like only 2 or 3 of the pack. But it's better than buying just one from the Crocs website for $4.99 and $12.99. Like, they be doing too much. And it's funny because I told myself I was never ever gonna buy a pair of Crocs. Like, I didn't like them. Now look at me. And the pair that I got is not the typical one that everyone has, so I'm super excited. And when my giblets get here, I'm gonna show you guys, of course. And I'm hoping my Crocs fit, because on the side some were saying size up, others were saying size down. Ooh, I just got a notification that my Amazon package is outside, so I'm super excited about that. I know y'all probably watch my vlogs like, damn, this bitch shop a lot. Like, every vlog I always have a haul. Madison's birthday party is coming up soon. Like, she's about to turn 1. I'm keeping a party for her, nothing big, just something small and intimate with close friends and family. And I kind of ordered some stuff for myself, so I'm hoping it's also in that package. But I do have a few more packages coming, just not today, maybe tomorrow or Monday. I actually need to go check my tracking. So these are just some dried palm spears for Madison party. I'm not gonna open this box. I'm just gonna wait until the decorator comes. So I ordered this, and I thought it was gonna be some hard blocks. I don't know why I didn't read, but this is what I was going for. Oh, it also said it comes with 24 balloons. But I'm gonna open this now to see what it looks like, so I could return it before the party. This is just for the backdrop. And I also bought these vases. I think I ordered like 6 of them. That's for like the centerpiece on the tables. And this one is, I don't even know what this is. Expecting it to be this small, but it's super cute. Like, why she got more shape than me? I don't like that. So I'm here putting this cube together just to see if it makes sense, and I actually like it. It came with some instructions. These are the balloons, and these are the letters to spell out 1, and it also came with some stickers. I think this is to stick the letters onto here. So I'm here cleaning up, washing, getting stuff done around the house, not remembering that tomorrow is 4th of July. And I really want to do something tomorrow. I'm gonna put folding laundry on hold, maybe until Monday. But y'all already know that it might be there past Monday. But I really want to go watch the fireworks with Madison. Last year I was very much pregnant. But this year I want to do something. I don't know if her dad is going in the city to watch the fireworks or he's going to a different location. I don't really care. I just want to leave the house. Like, I want to get my makeup done. You know, put on a nice cute outfit. Nothing extra. So, yeah. Y'all, I've been on the phone almost 2 hours with my best friend. The bitch not even talking. She here watching a whole movie in my ears. You ain't hear what I said? Yeah, but can y'all watch a whole movie? I'm telling them, we've been on the phone for almost 2 hours. And you're not even paying me no mind. Them can't hear you. Well, I'm gonna put you by a speaker. Yeah, my best friend have some words for y'all. Bitch, go ahead.
No.
Talk.
Listen, big up me, yeah.
Right, true.
That's true.
Yeah. Purr.
I don't actually sound like that, but you know you have to.
Don't talk them something there. I saw she stay. She's a little butu.
Jamaica, yeah.
I like to know if you
I
say.
yard me come from.
You can't say big up your best friend. You can't say big up our YouTube
my
channel. Me
best
eat
friend,
you.
Bestie,
Come on.
Shakera.
Come on, move forward.
Bro, my legit thinks that I talk to you.
No. We're gonna watch your show. Can you not pay me no mind?
No, me here on the phone there, I say.
Yeah. That's how she treat me out. What you say? So today didn't go according to plan. I had to watch the fireworks outside my house. And then I couldn't stay for long because Madison was not feeling the fireworks. Like, every time they popped, she jumped and then started to cry. So I had to come in. And it's like 2 o'clock in the morning and I'm just washing off my makeup. Y'all, I bought this a long time ago and I thought it was to clean your makeup brushes. And I was reading it and it didn't say anything about cleaning any makeup brush. I'm like, what the hell? So I could have been using it for a long time. I don't know what's wrong with me. And ever since I started doing skincare, for some reason I've been getting some red bumps right here. And I can't really tell what product in particular is doing that. And before skincare, my skin never had bumps, so I don't know what's going on. I'm even hungry, but I'm not really gonna eat anything. I'm just gonna go straight to bed. So I'm gonna talk to you guys in the morning. Y'all probably can't even see me, but I'm still up watching me some Game of Thrones. And it's currently 5:19. Guys, guess what came in the mail today? Y'all see that Amazon package? I'm surprised it came early. It's only 11:50 in the morning. I also just realized that this package is also for Madison. It's for her party. I had ordered this name sign off Etsy. As you can see, it's a carpenter farmhouse. And I was worried about the size, but I think it's good. So if y'all guessed what Amazon package that is, it's my freaking gibbet bitch. And I could finally open up my crafts. What the hell? When I checked the check-in, it said you're gonna come tomorrow. So I don't know what's going on, but I ain't complaining. Ooh, these are cute. Do you see this? It's the melanin for me, period. So now, moment of truth. So this is the one I got, guys. Let's see if it fits. Ooh, they look so freaking good and they fit so comfortably. I can't even show you guys because my toes looking like Madison True on them. But let me put these on. So this is what this foot look like. I like these three. I think I'm gonna just go ahead and buy the ones off Crocs for $4.99 and $12.99 because I don't see nothing else, honestly. And this one is literally my favorite one out of the pack. Besides, it's the melanin for me. So yeah. Let me call my sister on FaceTime and show her my new freaking Crocs because she still can't believe I'm a part of the Crocs gang. She is a Crocs collector. Like, sis have over 30 Crocs. I wasn't expecting it to be this thin, so I'm gonna need to put this back in the box. Yeah, let me put it back right now. Leaving my house today because one, I don't have shit to do. Two, it's mud freaking hot. So I'm gonna stay home. I'm gonna edit this vlog, and all I have to do is just insert today's footage, and I think it'll be complete because I already have 9 minutes. Plus, I'm sorry guys, do y'all watch Too Hot to Handle? These mofos is too horny for me. But back to what I was saying. Yeah, I'm gonna get this vlog edited. Plus, I need to finish my laundry. Can y'all believe that I haven't washed Madison's new clothes just yet? I still got tags and all. This was like 2 vlogs ago from the Old Navy haul. Her Zara stuff in there. Plus, she have some other new clothes that my mom gave me for her. Also, I gotta study this book for my naturalization test. For those of you who didn't know, I migrated to this country 8 years ago from Jamaica. So now I'm eligible to apply for my citizenship. It's basically a bunch of American historical questions, and I didn't attend school over here, so y'all already know how that goes. But I've been watching the questions on YouTube because y'all know everything be on YouTube, and I'm much of a listener than a reader, but I do like to read. And let me know if you guys want me to do a separate video documenting this journey, or you just want me to like incorporate small clips in my regular vlogs. And I have a biometrics appointment the 21st of this month. Hopefully I could vlog inside, or I might sneak vlog, but we'll see about that. But I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next vlog.